12 TV. Hey, Dad. Oh, it looks like you have the hiccups. Where hiccups? It's just a thing. I don't know how it happens. What does it happen? I don't know. How do I get rid of them? Just walk around the TV, and then I'll come back with you with a surprise. You will? Uh-huh. Boom. Did that work? I don't know. Oh my god. Alright, so just try to hold your breath until you can't anymore. Okay. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. That's so sad. Hey, what happened? Oh, Pinky had the hiccups, and then, her dad told her to hold her breath until she can't breathe, and then she turned up blue. Oh my god. That's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Is that a stick? I see. No, I see a football, and not the big size football. Hold on. Can you go get the big size football? Yeah. If I can. Alright, I'll help you. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Look at this massive thing. Yo, that's crazy. I know, right? But I got a football from Dickinson. Yeah, one of my brother's friends. He's a senior. Well, he's in college now. He plays for Dickinson. Yeah, he was a senior last year. He was. But yeah, I'm gonna get the football. Yeah, you do that. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I can't. I don't know. Alright. Alright, I got the Dickinson ball. You guys can probably. I got this from a football game. I got to play it on a college field for like 5 minutes. Hold on. 5 minutes. Hold on. You have 5 fingers, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, show them what the number 5 looks like. Okay. So, you played for like 5 minutes? Yeah. Alright, yeah, so you said he played for 5 minutes. 5 whole minutes on a college field. Right? Just laying there. Come here. What? Oh. Well, I don't know what to do now. Just cut the scene. Okay, I'll cut the scene. Is she no, Bluey, I ask. But we need to at least be in the scene. Or, like, we need to see her. Crap, where's the doctor? I forgot. Guys, hold on. I'll just take Bluey out. No, I want to stay here. You want to play Fortnite, right? No, my sister. She's not. She's hurt. I'll give you the battle pass. Take me home right now. What? Take me home right now! Okay. Hey, Pinky, where did your parents go? Oh, I forgot. She's sleeping. Dang. Hold on. I had to follow them. Did anyone notice Minion? Like back there? Like literally right there? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. creepy. But yeah. You kind of you need to go. You weren't. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Hold on, guys, wait up. Oh, hold on. I have to go tell him on the camera. Come here. Right, go, you stupid doctor. My dad said if he will take me home, then he'll give me the battle pass. Like the season 1 battle pass? No, the season 5 battle pass. And the season 6 battle pass when it comes out. That's so crazy. Come on, what are you waiting for? Yeah, we need to go. Alright guys, I'm about to start the car. Alright, let's go. Hey Pinky, what do you want for oh, I gotta be quiet, she's still sleeping. Dang it, these patients. They always sleep. My throat hurts. Oh my god. I'm bored. I wish my dad would have brought my PS4 or my Xbox One or my phone or my computer. Geez, I have a lot of electronics in my house. Yeah, I wish he brought one of those so I could play Fortnite. I need to get the season 5 battle pass before it goes. Hey, Pinky, what do you want, doctor? Hey, I have a name. It's Mr. Doctor. What do you want, Mr. Doctor? I wanted to know what type of food you wanted. I want, some juice. What kind of juice? Peach or mango juice? I think it's peach juice. Okay. I'll take that. Alright, I'll go get it. Hooray. It's been like a minute. Alright, hold on. Alright, no, it's good. Why is it like literally only a quarter left of smells like peach juice? Why is there only like a quarter left of the peach juice? Oh, that's because I drank it. I drank it. That's good. It's kind of weird. Can you go close that door right there? Oh yeah, I kind of need to. So, I will. All right. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Can you give me that light? Why do you need it? So, the video can like have like a little bit more lighting. Okay, I'll go get it. Why are you going? Okay, jeez, I'll get it. Come here, Juice. Come here, Juice. Alright. Oh, it's so hard to carry. Why do you have shoes on? Because they're fresh on me. Look at these shoes. Hey, no, that's someone else's cat's wearing. That's not good. You can't say that. Okay, always get out of your hair. Okay, I'm back. Okay, did you have that face on that you gave Blue something that you didn't give me? I know it. Nope. Nope, I didn't. No. Look me in the eyes. Look your daughter, Pinky, in the eyes. And tell me that you did not give him the Season 5 Battle Pass. And you're not going to give him the Season 6 Battle Pass. Unless you give it to me. I did not. You're lying. I can see it in your eyes. Hello? Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I want the prize. My arm's here. My arm's gone. My arm here. My arm's gone. But yeah. I can see it in your eyes. Okay. I'll be back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I just saw your dad. Yeah. But, yeah, you're free to go. I checked everything. You're alright. Okay. Alright, well, so I won't greet you out. There's a bunch of other patients. Okay. But yeah, it was nice to meet you. No, you too. Okay, I'll be going. Alright. Flushing noise. Where'd my daughter go? Oh, she went out. Oh yeah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Alright. Another flushing noise. Okay, Dad, let's go. Alright, let's go. Wait, hold on, Dad. What?